There she is, boys and girls. I used a half of avocado. I'll probably just eat that, and I'll just sprinkle a little salt on and eat that by itself. My mouth is watering just thinking about the taste of this. It's going to be so good. Welcome back to A Country Boy Can Cook. Today, chicken tortilla soup in the electric pressure cooker. I tried this the other day. It was pretty good. I thought, well, shoot, I need to show y'all. You know, I've done one video on the pressure cooker. I did a roast. It was really good, and so I've used it since then. Since my crock pot died, and but I'm using it a lot. So thought I would show you. It's an easy recipe. It takes longer to prep everything than it does to put the recipe together. And I'm gonna use frozen chicken breast. It takes about a little over 15 minutes to cook the frozen chicken breast. It's 1 pound of chicken. So let me get around here and let's get to dumping this in. There's my electric pressure cooker. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give a couple of shots of olive oil. And I'm going to put some onions in. It's 1 medium onion, yellow Spanish onion. I figured chicken tortilla soup needed a Spanish onion. Let's see how many ounces is 14.5 ounces of diced tomatoes, juice and all. I've got the 14.5 of black beans, and they've been rinsed twice. The juice is gone, and just the black beans go in there. Hatch chopped green peppers. These are the mild. 1 can. This is just kind of a dump and go. Make sure you get everything out of it. Those are really good. I'm going to put some chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon. I'm going to add some onion powder, just a couple of shakes here, just to make sure it got a little flavor to it. I'm going to put a little garlic powder, just a couple of shakes. Two teaspoons of chili powder going in. 1 teaspoon of cumin going in. 1 teaspoon of black pepper going in. A little bit of salt. Just a few shakes here. I can always salt it afterwards. Always remember that. I've got a lime that brings freshness to the recipe. I'm going to squeeze 1 whole lime. Let me stir this around a little bit, show you what it looks like here. It's got a removable pot. I'm going to go ahead and mix all of this together. You can see that or not. I've got chicken broth going in. I just wanted to get the spices and everything mixed together first. I got 4 cups of low sodium. Make sure you shake it up really good. You want all the juice out of it, and all the flavor out of it. Give her a good stir one more time. Chicken breast, frozen. I've got a little over a pound. It's 3 boneless, skinless breasts. 2 large ones and a small one. And boys and girls, it's just that easy. I'm put the lid on it. This is not an Instant Pot brand. It's I can't remember the brand of it. It works good though. It was about $45 on Amazon. My crock pot I was trying to replace was more than that, so that's the reason I was being cheap and bought this. I've got it set to bean and chili. Alright, I've got that set. I've got the lid locked in. I'm going to push start. Well, I guess I should have showed you. Pretty easy, just hit start. Bring y'all back when the timer goes off, about 15 minutes from now. See you in a little bit. Alright, the timer went off. I could pull the button and let it do a fast release, but from what everybody says, let it do a natural release. In other words, it needs to cool down. That'll take about another 10 minutes. I've decided I'm not going to wait the whole 10 minutes till it cools down. I'm going to hit the release button up here. God, it smells like chicken. After this stops, the steam stops coming out, we'll pull it out and shred the chicken and go to the next step. All right, let's get the lid off here. Steam stopped coming out. Well, looks good and smells wonderful. Let's get the chicken out and shred it. There it is, boys and girls. I had struggled to get it out of there. I ended up having to get a spoon. It's so tender. And you know, 15 minutes ago, well, 20 minutes ago, we put it in and it was frozen. But it looks pretty juicy now. Looks pretty juicy now, and it's shredding like no problem. I'm gonna shred this with the grain. I guess you could come up here and you could have cut this chicken up if it was thawed and done chunks, but I just like the looks of this shredded chicken. That's what most of the time you find in a tortilla soup. I need to get a big pot of Pinos going pretty soon to try it out. I understand it works really good on that. So there's the shredded chicken. I'm going to put it back in. I'll show you why. One piece stuck on the plate. The cook special. Tender like you wouldn't believe, and juicy. Let me get to the next step. I'm going to stir this around. Then we're going to add the whole kernel corn. This is in a can. You don't have to cook it. If you cooked it the time we cooked it, it would make mush. Let me drain this right quick. Make sure you drain it. One 14.5 ounce, and this is no salt added. All right, let's see what this looks like. Boy, it looks yummy, yummy. Let's get a bowl of this and check this out. Now for the tortilla part. I like to just take and break them up in the bottom. Kind of makes like dumplings. Or you can take and push it around the outside once you get the feel. Alright, let's scoop some of this out. I'm sorry I'm blocking you, but I'm right-handed. Well, it smells wonderful. All right, let's get a bite of this chicken tortilla soup. You see anything different? I'm a different shirt, haircut's trimmed. When I got through dipping that up the other day, I hit rock bottom. I was out of gas. I'm in heart failure. I'm doing okay, but by the afternoons, I'm running on my tank. It was empty. So I told my wife, I said, let's put it in the fridge. It'll actually be better the next day. All stews, and I don't know what it is about it. Red beans, stews, chilies, always better the next day. So I've gone to get a haircut, and now I'm gonna have a bite of this soup for you and taste of it. I've been drooling just thinking about it. Let me get it dressed properly. I've got a couple of pieces of tortilla chip. I've got actually some in the bottom too. Will make it look pretty that way. Got some avocados. Ain't no easy way to do this, boys and girls, on the avocados. They're slippery little rascals. Got some cilantro. You can dress yours any way you want. This is the way I like mine. Sour cream. This is a full fat sour cream, whatever you call it. It's not the light. And of course, you got to have a little bit of cheese. Spread a little bit of mild cheddar on top. Do the chef thing where they get it way up in there and sprinkle it over. It doesn't take a lot. I don't know why they do that. I guess it just looks cool, so I'm going to do it so it looks cool. There she is, boys and girls. I used a half of avocado. I'll probably just eat that, and I'll just sprinkle a little salt on and eat that by itself. My mouth is watering just thinking about the taste of this. It's going to be so good. All right, let's get a bite of this. A little bit of avocado, a little sour cream, chicken and cilantro, black beans, the whole deal. Everybody's in the pool and is in the party. Oh my goodness, that's great. Wonderful, wonderful. I think the sunshine's giving me too much like little shade here on me. It's a really great recipe. If you're looking for a chicken tortilla soup, try this recipe. Send me a note back and let me know what you thought about it. You can change it in a lot of ways. You could add jalapenos, different types of peppers. You can make it spicier. This is mild. Those are mild peppers that I put in. So make it your own. Let me know what it tastes like once you get it done. And please share all my videos, comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed the first time you found me. And I will see y'all in the next video. And as I always say, keep on keeping on.